Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix find my friend's location not available. So guys, if someone has sent you a location on your Apple device but you are facing this problem that location not available, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically this issue is not from your Apple device. You have to simply ask the person who has sent you location to turn off Find My and turn off Share My location on their Apple device. So guys, you have to simply request them to turn on Find My and Share My location on their Apple device, which can be done like this. Here I will show you. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then go to profile and scroll it below and tap on Find My, and you have to simply request him to turn on Find My iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this you have to say him that Share My location must be turned on. So guys, if this toggle is off, you have to ask him to turn it on, and after this the problem will be fixed and you will be able to see his location anytime. So guys, in this way you can also fix this problem on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.